Good day, guys. Please welcome to another video tutorial brought to you by Relu Graphics. Please, if the first time you are viewing this channel, I'll plead with you that you subscribe to this channel so that whenever we drop amazing content like this, you'll be able to get it. Okay, so without wasting my time, let's jump into the video. Alright, so I'll clear everything so that we start from scratch. Okay, so whenever you open it, this is the home page you're going to see. Now we'll start by importing our background. So straight to our gallery. This is my background. All right, yes, so I'll enlarge it. I hope you know this. So you hold this side and then you enlarge it. So I'll hold it, I'll pull it down to fill the whole screen size. Hold it again, I'll pull it down. All right, after that I'll go to my layers up here. Are you cool? Yes, so I'll go to my layers, I'll lock it up. Good. So what we are going to do next is our text. So the plus sign up here, we click on text, bring it in the middle. So I'll go here and then I'll give it an edit. So I'll type welcome. Right, welcome. So I'll enlarge the size a little bit. Now we are going to give it a font, and then the name of the font. So we'll go down, scroll down. All right, so this is the font that we are going to give it. This is the font. All right, are you okay? This is the font. All right, this one. Cool. So that's the name of the font, Alera Regular. So you click on the font, you click OK. So it has been applied, and then we'll give it a color black. Color black. Alright. So we can also increase the size to a reasonable amount. So I'm using it to increase the size. I just hold it to pull it. Alright, I'll place it in the middle. Good. After that, I'll add another text again. So I'll bring it down here, just beneath the welcome. So another text just beneath the welcome. I'll go to edit. Right, then I'll type so December. Alright, so let me teach you one thing here. After typing in small cases, you can use this TT up here. Yes, to change it to block letters. So I'll just change it. Alright, okay, good. So after that, I'll bold it. So when the bold button is this style, so you go there, you bold it. Alright, then we'll give it a font. We are going to give it a font known as the let's use this font. I'm having this font. Okay, so let's use the create round regular. Create round regular. This is it. Okay, so I'll click on it. I'll click OK. So it has been applied. So this is the create round regular. Alright, so in this video tutorial we'll do a lot of stuff. Let's rotate it. So you rotate it. -4 will do. 2. Alright, so -3. The rotation, you click on this tick mark. So what we will do next is that we will copy it. We will copy it. So you click on copy. Bring it beneath it. Alright. Okay, so beneath it. So in order to save time, let's just change the color and then we continue copying it. So we come to the first one and then we are going to give it a color. Alright, and then this is the color that we are going to use. Alright, so this is the color that we are going to use, so you don't get confused. That's the color we are going to use. So I'll click on it, I'll hold the second one, give it that same color, give it the same color as the first one. Good. So you can see our color. So after that we will copy the first one again. After that you copy, so I'll hold the first one, I'll copy it, I'll bring it down here. We are copying it for 4 times, and then I'll hold it, I'll copy it again, then I'll bring it beneath it. Right, so guys, please, are you following? Yes, it's very simple. So what we are going to do next is that when you hold or any of the December, when you hold it, you go to relative position. Relative position, here is it. Hope you can see. Yes. So relative position, and then you align it in the center. So I've aligned this one. Good. So I'll hold the next one in the center. The next one in the center. The next one in the center. Are you alright? To make the work look as in arranged. So I'll pull it down a little bit. Pull it down a little bit. Pull it down a little bit. So good. So this is December. Are you alright? Yes. So this we are left with very few steps to finish with our design. We'll import from gallery. We're going to import it. So here I'm going to teach you another trick about this app. So you can remove the background here. If you follow it carefully, you can remove it. So we have something we call color erase. This is it. Let me take it off. Okay. Color erase. So you click on it. All right. So after clicking on it, you see this right. So you see this thing here. All right. You click on it again. Then you move it to where the color you want to remove. So I want to remove the background, which is black. I'll send it there, and then I'll click on the tick mark. Can you see what has happened? The background has disappeared. And then you come to this one here. All right. So you reduce it. So guys, I hope you can see what I'm doing. So I've reduced it to 3. Right, so let me reduce it to 4. After that, I'll also make this edges smooth. Okay, so after that, I'll bring it down. I'll hold it, and then alright, enlarge it a little bit. Then I'll bring it down here. Are you alright? Yes. So I'll hold it and then bring it up a little bit. Good. And then pull it down here. Very nicely. You're right. Yes. So this is it. Alright, so what I'm going to do next is I'll go to my layers and lock it up. Are you alright? So I'll lock it up. So I'll go to my layer. Sorry, I mean it. Oh no, to front. Oh, sorry, to back. To front. I'll unlock it again. Yeah, and then I'll bring it here. Sorry for everything. It's not part, you shouldn't be doing it. So I'll come back here, and then I'll hold the December again, the first one. So after that, I'll copy it. Are you alright? I'm going to copy the first one. So copy. I'll bring it exactly. So you let it be exactly like the first one. So you can see I'm positioning mine. Alright. So you can still come to relative position so that it can position well. So I've positioned mine. So after that, what do? You go to color. You click. When you come to color, you click on the dot, the plus sign here. Alright, good. So I'll click on the plus sign, and then you see this down arrow. Pull it to this side. Pull it to that side. Alright. Pull the down arrow. So I'll just pull this one. I'll pull mine. I'll click OK. So you see, you can't see the last one. It has become invisible. I'm sorry. It has become what? Invisible. Are you alright? So what we will do right now is you go to your stroke. So lock it, and then so we'll go to stroke. Stroke. So this is your stroke. So I'll enable it. You see, it has shown, but then here it has shown to be black, but we are not going to use black. We are going to use white color. So white, and then you reduce the stroke weight. So this is the stroke weight. You reduce the stroke weight to, I think, 1 will do. 1 is okay. To 1. So this is it. To welcome December. Good. So Now that we've done all this, left with few steps to go. So what we're going to do next is to add a text. So I'll come here and then I'll bring it. No, so we shouldn't. So let's go on this procedure first. So let's add a shape. So I'll bring my square. You reduce it to this side, all right? Bring it down. You enlarge it to a full screen size. All right, so I'll enlarge it. So, all right, good. So I didn't let it touch the downmost part. All right, so it's just here so that you can see some part of the coat. All right, so can you see what? Hope you can see it clear. Just reduce it a little bit. All right, good. So when you come here, you see here when you import, they will give you an option. Oh, sorry, this is opacity. I'll show you again what I'm talking about. This opacity, right? So I'll decrease the opacity to I think 50 is even okay. So let's take 50, and then I'll choose a color for it. We're going to choose a color we will use for the December, so that we can have a combination here. So I see. Good. And then after that, let's bring the text, which we were doing it already. So I think with this time, before we add the text, let's lock everything up so that we don't get distracted as we do our works. All right, I'm locking everything. So I've locked everything up. Now nothing will be moving again. So you click here, get our text. We put it in the line or the space you've provided. Right. So here you are going to show us who did the work. So designed by you did it, so you have to tell us that you did it so that whenever we need it, we can contact you. So we are giving it a yellow color, yes, and then we will give it a font. So you go to our font. We are going to give it a font known as the I think Circle Godita. So this is the font that we are going to give it. Can you see? So Circle Godita, click on it. Okay. All right, so that's it. So we can also lock it up, and then we will give it another text. So the another text will be here, and then with this one, go to edit. So you can add your brand name, any brand that you have, you can add it. So I'm adding my Grail graphics. All right, so click on OK. So this is it. All right, and we are also giving it the same font, which is what the Circle Godita. So I'll just go to font and then scroll down, then I'll just click on my Circle Godita. All right, so we look graphics. After that, you import from your gallery. All right, so the call icon is what you're going to import. Are you okay? Good. So the call icon, you bring it here, reduce it. So since you can't reduce it, sometimes if you're reducing it then it will be misbehaving, you can just come here and then go to size, relative size. You just reduce it. Do you see what I'm doing? I'll just reduce it here. Good. So another no. So good. So I'll just position it all in the line. Right. So as I used to tell my student that design is about communication. You are communicating to the audience out there. Are you alright? Yes. So if you are doing it, all the sizes should be the same. So because of that, I'll come to the real look again, and then I'll copy it. So I just come to this text, copy, and then I'll bring it down here. All right. So I'm going to input my number. So plus 233. Always you add your country code 532515171. Always I used to tell everyone that whenever you're designing, you add your country code so that in case someone need you to contact you, and then for you to design a flyer for the person can get to reach you very well. So guys, thank you for this nice video tutorial. brought to you by Relu Graphics. See you in the next video. Thank you.